Hi everyone. Okay, so we are going to work with is text, is number, is non-text, and is error functions. You will have to work through the example on page 140, which I have scanned in. This is from the new textbook, so I had to use my iPad to scan this in, so it's not the same as the older ones. But you should summarize this, so put it with the Excel toolbox on the Google Docs. And these are the dot type functions if you need to see if something is a text, a number, a non-text, or even if there is an error. And we had something like that in a previous activity. So all you have to do is you just open the Excel document that I have attached to the assignment. So you can just download that, and you just work through, okay, there we go. You just work through this. You can see that here we have some errors, and in the is error column over here, you can see the formula over there. You can see that the value it gives is true, true, true. Because it's a non-text, because it's an error. So you can just have a look at all of this. For the second part of working through the example, we have to use the data type functions from practical task 16. So you had this option where you had to find the position of the n, and you will have to reload that again. So I am just typing it now, but you have to reload that because you have to submit this Excel sheet over here, and then you also have to submit the new improved find functions Excel sheet in practical task 16. So you remember that we had the find function, so we say we find the string n, or the text n, in A1, and then it says 5, 8, and then value, so you'll see it's the same as there. So now we can say if it's an error, so if it is an error, give the value 0, or we can say not found. Otherwise we can say find n of that. So instead of saying just find that, we can say if, and if you want to know how an if statement works, you say if, and if you don't type in anything, you can see this is the template of an if statement. So you have a logical test. So if, let's say you punch me in the face, then what is the value of this f5? So we're putting the function in f5. What will the value be if you punch me in the face? Then the value inside will be black eye. Now, what would be the value of f5 if you don't punch me in the face? So the value would be no black eye. Okay? So currently, if you punch me in the face has no value. So let's make this cell over here, we name it punch me in the face. Okay, and I give this as a boolean, which is true or false. Then we say if A7 is equal to, just when it's true, then give me a black eye. If punch me in the face is false, sorry. false, then no black eye. So this is how an if statement works. So basically what we're going to try and find is if this is an error, so you can see here, if this is an error, then find the n over there. Otherwise, give me that value over there. So just follow the instructions on the example and see if you can make this find value so that it doesn't say hashtag value. It should rather say not found. N is not found or something like that. So I would like to see how you edit that. Okay.